Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to log into your Hostinger email account. First, log into your Hostinger dashboard using your credentials. Once you're in, look at the left panel and go to the Emails section. Then, click on Email Accounts. Here, you'll see all the email addresses connected to your hosting. Go ahead and select the one you want to access. Once you're inside the account settings, scroll down and click on the view icon beside your email. By doing this, you'll be automatically logged in to your Hostinger webmail where you can check your inbox, send new messages, and manage your contacts all in one place. Now, there's also another way to log in. You can open your browser and go to mail.hostinger.com. Here, simply enter your full email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be brought straight to your Hostinger webmail dashboard, where you can read, compose, and organize your emails just like before. And that's it. Now, you're logged into your Hostinger email. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.